And this is how cheap I really am. So, whenever I cut a tie wrap, I'm always careful to cut it under the head. Not by the part of the head that's attached to the head, but underneath the head. That way I can push, with my screwdriver, I can push the little piece through and then grab it with a needle nose or a dike or whatever I've got and reuse the tie wrap. Which I have the camera away so I'm not doing it, but I just did this one. Cleared it out. Push this little piece through. And you cut under here, you push the little piece through, grab it with a needle nose or with your fingertips even, and yank it out. Reuse the tie wrap for a smaller application. So think about that, especially when you have a real big long tie wrap you're cutting up. Don't cut in the middle, cut it right under the head.